This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Xterra, ready for the trail. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, speed-sensitive volume controls, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.